What we do in service, we solve problems. And if we solve problems, customers are happy. And when customers are happy, you get fulfillment from it. So I think that's, at its simplest level, that's what it is you can go into a really bad situation and come out a hero. As a technician, that's one of the things I miss most about being in the field was solving problems.
What we really do is teamwork. You know, you're not out there as an individual working a territory all by yourself. No, East Tennessee, we're East Tennessee. There's 7 or 8 of us, out in the field at a time. We're a team out there. I mean, that's what we're there for. Our service department is pretty team-oriented throughout the company. We all work together. We all share ideas. I can tell you, I talk to guys in Memphis and Atlanta all the time.
Sometimes it takes a little while for you to get your sea legs, if you will, when you're working on these on the machines and everything, and that just knowing somebody's got your back with that teamwork, and this guy's seen it, it saves you so much time and headaches trying to chase that problem around. It is a nice thing to have, and we're good at it. We communicate very well. We're a great team. We care about each other. At the end of the day, we want to be successful as a company, market and a company. So very important.